making another video, the second video today. Same t-shirt, The Floyd. Dark Side of the Moon, that's one hell of an album. It all slots together. Nice. It all slots together. What a compliment. It all slots together. The reason why I'm making a second video in the same day is because after I made the first video, this box arrived. And I'm really excited about this, so I just wanted to make a video of the unboxing. Because of this delivery, this video might be the last one I make on an iPhone 6S. I decided to go against what I promised myself. I promised myself to be sensible. I promised myself that I would not buy a proper expensive camera until I've managed to get 1,000 subscribers, right? That's sensible, isn't it? Isn't that sensible? But I'm fed up with the video not being clear enough. I'm fed up with the sound problems that make the whole experience seem a bit more amateur. What I've ordered is a used Canon EOS 700D with a kit lens. I didn't even know what a kit lens was until yesterday, but it's the lens that sort of comes as part of the kit. From my research, I gather that this camera would have cost between £800 and £900 back in 2013. That's a lot of free paper. Check it out. I've never owned a camera like this. Ooh, here it is. Oh my goodness. Wow. Check that bad boy out. Amazing. Yes. There's the screen popping out and flipping round. Amazing. Oh my god. I don't even know how to turn this camera on like that. Look at that screen. So, wow, camera. Here is the lens. That's a big lens, huh? Canon zoom lens EFS 18 to 55, 85mm. I don't know what any of that means. Amazing. Superb. Proper camera. Better picture, better audio. All right, another day, another t-shirt. Let's have a direct comparison between the iPhone 6S and the Canon EOS 700D. Before.
After.
Before.
After.
Before.
After. So here it is, my first bit of footage with the new camera, the microphone working without that annoying clicking sound that I was getting on the iPhone 6S. Now the sound quality in my videos is going to improve a great deal from now on because I can use the lavalier microphone right here plugged into the camera so that my voice will be clear, and I can have a professional studio mic parked right in front of my guitar amp and record the guitar directly onto the Mac Mini. Please join me next weekend to see how it all goes. Until then, stay safe, stay sane, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.